The potential
to operate.
3-minute timer going live in 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Shekinah Lee, and I'm presenting to you Purpose Wellness.
So today, I'm here to welcome 15 founders who've just gone through our Voltage program.
Yep, so we were originally just having an editing session, but now we have an editing cohort. Welcome to the room, Shekinah. She's here in the building. And Raven's here as well. Hey, Raven. You gotta say something.
Braxton, where's the coffee at?
Hi, you guys. How are you?
The water gotta boil. Hey, we got Mr. D. Y'all know when the D pull up. Hey, with the D. Hi, well, and we're gonna get to work. I don't know what he doing. I know what I'm doing for her. I don't know what she doing.
I'm getting ready for my pitch.
I don't know. When you pitch? For what? For what?
For the app.
What app?
Purpose Wellness.
When you meet with them?
What do you mean?
The app.
Tomorrow. What do you mean?
Tuesday?
Like, this is my app.
What are you pitching?
I'm pitching my...
To who?
To, it's the last part of Voltage. So you do, like, a show your work session, and you pitch to the people that are there to get support for, like, what you need. And
sounds fun. Are you going to practice with us while you're here?
I can. That actually would be helpful, actually, if I did.
Pitch practice.
Okay, wait.
You finna put a timer on?
Literally, get her.
Let's get into it.
You got it.
You ready?
Super important to start helping your friends with like their endeavors, their abilities to present to you, because if they can become comfortable within their friendships, then they'll be more comfortable around people they don't know, because your friends actually will give you true feedback to your face and give you ways and give you opinions about how to improve whatever it is that you're working on. So, just make sure you're doing things with people. The word says it's better to do things with 2 or 3 than it is with 1. So it's better to do partnership and work with people than it is to do things on your own.
Like, yes, the grabber is, I'm tired of waiting.
Alright, so I told y'all about support, but we're headed right now to do some supporting for Shekinah. I'll drop that video. Actually, look at the clip. Yep, that's her. So we were working on that pitch the other night because she's doing it right now. So we're headed to go and watch her and give her some support. Yeah, make sure you guys support. Meanwhile, let's go.
Oh, you scared me. Hi, Braxton. How are you?
No, I just came to see you.
Well, since you have your camera, I'm assuming you're recording her. That's so sweet. That is sweet. Thank you, Braxton. Hi, my friend.
Always come through with the video.
Braxton, I was at their house. I was practicing stuff. Hi, how are you? I was practicing stuff till like 12 o'clock in the morning and stuff. 12 o'clock, 12:30. It was intense.
Hey, Mr. D, how you doing, man?
Doing okay? Yes, sir. Good to see you.
You too, brother.
Good evening. Hi. Well, first off, thank you so much for being here today. The fact that you all are in this room means that you are here to see our emerging founders, as well as you're here to support someone who may be a friend or family member. So again, thank you so much. And so tonight, you're going to hear our founders talk about the problem that they came into Voltage with, some of the assumptions that they had with that idea and the proposed solution, and ways that they were able to validate, maybe not validate, those ideas. And then ultimately you're going to hear if they're going to pivot or persevere with their idea.
With that said, my name is Nilay Shah, and my solutions around marrying the state data with the local data when it comes to the home service providers when you do have a home. So by a show of hands, how many of you guys have owned a home or planning on owning a home in the next 5 years?
Sweet spot. 1 year ago, I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, and I was no stranger to diabetes, as I had several family members have diabetes, and also I've watched them administer their medication.
Sweet
2012. My family and I was dealt with the devastating loss of my brother. He was only 27, he was a recent Niles College grad, and he was a 6th grade language arts teacher.
Engineer, musician, and I came into this problem a couple of years ago, about 5 years ago actually, where I was having trouble communicating ideas about music with friends. So I wanted to build this idea of sharing music more effectively with friends.
My name is Caleb Neverson, and I am the founder of Food Drive. Food Drive is a mobile application that connects food truck enthusiasts with nearby food trucks. Now, by show of hands, how many of us here visit food trucks?
Berry Advice is looking to support the bariatric surgical community with monthly convenient subscription box full of diet-focused foods. The bariatric community is based on the bariatric surgical, which is a reduction of the stomach lining. I myself had this surgery many months ago, and while I was making drastic but welcome changes to my life and my lifestyle, I learned that I was alone.
I am Brent Barnes, and by day, I'm a business development manager for a government contractor. I sell IT solutions to the Air Force. However, what I'm really good at is I'm a youth football coach.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? Good. My name is Kiara Harris, and I am the founder of The Trendsetter, your artificial intelligence social media assistant. I have been a social media strategist for nearly 4 years. I've created thousands of pieces of content for nonprofits, tech startups, with Streamline K-12. 4 years ago, I became an educator, not truly knowing how detailed I'll have to be, how my hours expand well past 3:15 and the to-do list is never ending.
I'm Albert Bennett. I was an athletic director in Birmingham City Schools for more than 15 years, and a coach as well, as you can see. It's a great picture. But the problem that I found, the hiring process for coaches is actually broken. It's almost impossible, imagine this day, Albert Bennett walking down the hallway, trying to get on the phone, trying to find a coach for our soccer team. Then I got to go into the classroom. Almost impossible.
Hi. All right, y'all. Okay. I'm Shekinah, and this is Purpose Wellness. So, I've been a therapist for about 3.5 years, and I noticed a consistent barrier throughout my years of substance abuse, eating recovery, school counseling, and even in private practice. And that barrier was time. Time that clients were spending trying to create intake packets, go through intake packets, time that clients were spending having to rehash their trauma, and time that we didn't have because they were in crisis, right?
Female orgasm makes you uncomfortable, doesn't it? If you are uncomfortable hearing the words, just imagine how hard it is for women to get the information they need to understand their bodies and build fulfilling relationships.
Hello, everyone. My name is Angela, and I am the founder of Promise Portal, a wellness incentive platform empowering millions of family caregivers to address caregiver burnout and to recover financial losses caused by caring for a loved one.
My name is William Madison. I'm the founder of Goat Tutors. For the last 10 years, I've been in the classroom as an English teacher for middle school, high school, and college students. I love to teach, and I really love the learning process.
Hello, I'm Valencia Winston. I have been an educator for 22 years. I wanted you all to know that educators spend about 1/2 of their work week doing documentation of some kind.
Founders, another round of applause. Amazing job today. You did better than me because what was the first thing I told you to do? Don't forget to introduce yourself. I forgot. Yeah. For those in the audience, I'm Amanda Williams. I'm the program manager for Voltage, and it has been a pleasure working with these founders for the last 6 weeks. You all have done tremendous in the last 6 weeks. 6 weeks, y'all. 6 weeks. That's what they've come with. Pivoting, persevering, and ultimately knowing that they've come to proof of concept with an idea.
One phrase I see
that's a pretty good determinant of failure among beginning entrepreneurs is I know. Like when you say, what about XYZ? I know. Have you thought of I know? They know everything. Well, it's probably not going to end well. So you come at this with humility. The second thing is you need to be highly, highly resourceful. You do not want to think about things in the traditional way. A startup is not a small version.
Going out there. What up, man? How you doing?
Thank you. That man made me cry. I need to go tell him that it made me cry.
Shekinah, this was a great experience today for me to be here at the Innovation Depot Voltage program. Tell me about what you did today and why it was so important and impactful for you going on in the future.
Okay, today I did a presentation on my app called Purpose Wellness. My app is a consulting service called Purpose Wellness, and it was phenomenal. It was a great experience to be able to advocate for myself and be able to speak to what I wanted to create. I hope you guys stay tuned for the journey. An app that houses your information from therapist to therapist and also allows you the opportunity to basically get connected with a therapist and therapists get connected with you. I'm very excited about the future. Thank you, Braxton. You're amazing.
Thank you, boo. Y'all know me, Mr. Lok itself. I was glad to be here because I learned so many things, and there's so many businesses that actually need help in the media department and in the department of growing their businesses and their applications in general. So this program is something that you should look forward to in your city because your city is probably having something to jumpstart your business or your application. I'm just here to tell y'all the truth and let the truth set you free. Going to slice, bro. You know how many videos I make in here?
Oh, we finna get this money, man. Made a valuable connection, like my girl said here. We out here, man. Come on, let's make this happen, bro.
Hey, bro, what going on, man? Hey, what going on, bro? What going on, bro? Have a good night. What's up, man? I just wanted to talk to you real quick about the what program it was?
Innovation Depot.
No. This is the place. I mean,
the Voltage.
The Voltage program. Yeah. See, yeah. So the Voltage program tonight. What was it that you learned?
What was it that I learned?
And not only learned, but what did you get from the people that pitched their information tonight?
One of the things I learned was that there's opportunity out here in Birmingham.
Opportunity out here in Birmingham.
If you're looking for opportunity, it is available. And I also learned, man, that you're only an idea away from the potential to operate at your fullest capacity.
Potential
to operate. Listen, man, these people pitched some wonderful ideas that were innovative and problem solving. And so to have those type of minds in the room and just to kind of rub elbows with them, it was definitely a beneficial experience for me.
I'm glad you got sleeves on because somebody's elbows might be ashy, but it's glad to be able to learn and listen to some of the things that go on in people's minds because the mind is a terrible thing to not use, and some people are not yet using their mind.
And you have to use your mind and you have to use your feet. And here's why it's important to use your feet, because if you're using your mind but you're not using your feet to get into the rooms that you need to be in, then you're not being useful or resourceful. I'll say it that way.
Faith without works is
dead.
Just like the Halloween season. So don't be dead and get to using your feet and be resourceful. Go to events, go to things. Just because it doesn't, you don't think it pertains to you, it actually just might be a pillar into your greatness and into your future and to your ability and process of being what you need to be. Be, do, have. And that's bye.
Yeah, I want to leave you with one thing.
One thing.
There are 3 points you need to do.
3 points.
Or 3 things you need to do.
Discover.
Develop.
And
deploy. Discover your purpose.
Discover it.
Develop for you.
Develop it.
Deploy for you.
Deploy it.
Peace.
Where you get that from?
That was the Voltage program. Enjoyed spending the day and the evening with my friend Shekinah. She did great. Make sure you check out events like this in your city. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one. All right, y'all. Have a good evening. Have a good night. Have a good day. Bye-bye.